Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency which specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google so that you can get more business. And I was doing some keyword searches and put in Charleston Roofing, and this is what came up on the first page. The top is always a few ads. Hopefully you're not spending too much money on those, or we could certainly show you a better way to spend that. The next section is a map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings, and you may recognize some of these competitors. Charleston Roof, this is a directory listing. Baker Roofing Company and Charleston Roofs and Windows, and there's others. But I was looking for your company, and I did find it, but it's back on page 6. It's down, let's see, down here, Palmetto Roofing. And so I went to your site and pulled it up, and there it goes. Got some good picture, good color. These images look nice. Hopefully your web person is attaching the image tags to it, the alt tags to it, which will help boost your rankings. The reason we talk so much about page 1 is that 80% of all new searches choose one of those top 3 search results to do business with. So just think of that. If you're in one of those positions, how much more business you'd be doing. You'd at least double, if not triple, your revenue. And we see it time and time again for companies that we do this for all across the country. But one of the things that I can mention about your site that you can look at, or just make you aware of, is that Google likes to see your #1 heading tag be the city and then the keyword. So if you make that congruent with what people are searching, Charleston Roofing, this is your heading, contact Palmetto Roofing. Unfortunately, a lot of people are not searching that. I know that's important to have on your website, and there's other places you can put that. But as far as your heading tag, you want it to be congruent with Charleston Roofing, and then you can put your company name and then put that under it. But that would be one thing that you can change on your site real easily, or we'd be glad to do it for you. The other thing is your metadata, and that is we put in your URL, and this is your title. This title is the blue line in the search results, and that's what comes up. You also want that to be congruent with what people are searching for. So if you could just make that key change, Charleston Roofing, then have the vertical line, and have Palmetto Roofing, Charleston's premier roofer, that would go a long ways towards boosting your rankings. Excuse me. And there's other things that you can do as well. You can do that on your own. I'd be glad to help you with it if you want to reach back out to me. But Google is looking to trust your site in order to rank it higher. And those are things that it looks for, that builds trust with Google and keeps you ranking higher. So if you have questions, give me a call. Hopefully you can make that change and boost your ranks. Take care.